Hi everyone! Today's motivational video clean with me trying a steam cleaner in my house. Several weeks ago my husband brought from Lidl this steam mop which can also transform into a handheld steam cleaner, and it was so affordable that I decided to keep it. I should say I always wanted to use high temperature for disinfecting our house, but I was skeptic about their big size because of lack of storage place in our room and also about their cost. But this one is pretty compact and it was just about 50 euros, and I have already tested it on many things. So stay with me till the very end of this video. Today we are going to steam clean in the foyer, in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So as they say, you can see it in action. This device impressed me by its compact size, especially comparing to another famous brand, one which I wanted to buy before, and it is very functional. There are several nozzles with brushes with microfiber cloth, comfort to use long hose to reach hard areas, and I think it's enough of talking. Let us see what was going on. So first of all, I'm filling the distilled water from our dryer and I'm plugging it in. It promised to start steaming after 30 seconds. I have to be honest, I was not checking the time, but I promise it starts really fast. And the first thing I wanted to try was this steam mopping. And because I really wanted to see the result, I am still mopping right now on the clean floors. I mean this. I wanted to see if there will be a result mopping with the steam after my normal mopping, and you will see now that the microfiber will get dirty, though there was not visible result on the floor. It looked pretty much the same, but I believe that it is very clean now. The next thing which I wanted to check was cleaning the tile grouting. The first nozzle, it is called angle nozzle, did give me almost nothing, but the I don't know, guys, if you have ever had experience with dark floors, but I guess you can believe me that it gets dirty literally after 2 hours again. And after 1 year living in this nice house with dark floors almost everywhere, I should say I gave up to have it clean all the time. Or I should better say I gave up to try to have it look clean all the time. Okay, now we are in the shower, and if you don't know, we live in a Finnish house with sauna and a big 4 square meters walk-in shower, which gives me a job every week. So now I am trying to get another goal result with grouting here as well, and it is not so impressive as I expected, I should say, but still it is pretty visual. Next is the toilet, and here I wanted to see if there will be any good result if I clean the sink without any detergent at all, just with the steam. I do know that for disinfecting purpose I need first to clean the area, but my goal was to see the difference, and here it is. The hard water buildup on the tap did not go away, but this dirt on the white surface easily disappeared after simple wiping. And as for the toilet, it was clean before, so I am just disinfecting it, and what can I say? I had fun. I can't promise that I will be doing this very often, because still it takes some time to prepare it, but for right now I can say I enjoy it. And now moving to the laundry room, here you can see inside of this rail there sits a lot of lint from the laundry, and it always drives me crazy to clean it properly, but I tried with this steam cleaner, and there was a good result. I can't say that I was so much excited about this, but you can see it in action. It is not maybe so fast to get it really clean, but I know it is, and that makes me happy. And now we are moving to the most dirty part of our house, which usually is the kitchen, because most of things is going on here. And so steam cleaning the kitchen was the most exciting part, I would say. I've heard a lot how dirty dishwasher can be, but a couple months ago I saw it myself and I was shocked, I promise. This year spring cleaning changed a lot in my cleaning schedule, and if you have not seen my spring cleaning video, I will leave you the link in the description bar. But let us talk about the dishwasher. I run it always with hot water, with a good detergent, and it always look okay and smells good. But once I took out those rubber protector, I realized that this is a dirty place and it needs very good cleaning regularly. We are renting this house, and I do not really know how much of grease we have left from the previous family. So if you also rent and move into a new house, please be sure to wash the dishwasher properly. This what you see is the dirt which built up during couple months since I spring cleaned here. I don't know if you can really see this, but for me this looks like dirty, and I'm happy to have this device now to help me make it much cleaner. Maybe this exactly device is not so powerful to kick everything out without my assistance, but at least it melts it good enough, and then I can much easier clean it and make it look really much better. Okay, now it's my other pain in this house. It is the area around the cooktop. Yeah, here you can see those texturized tiles. Yeah, they do look impressive, but it is not 5 minutes to clean it on everyday basis. This was the area I was very skeptic about, to be honest. But at the same time, this was a very pleasant result. I'm not sure if you can see it really good because camera does not really show that it was greasy and sticky, but with my favorite kitchen solution, this steam cleaner did the job perfectly. I wanted just to try on a small area first, but I was impressed so much and I could not stop myself anymore. I had to clean it all. Okay, now it's the time for the oven. It has a self-cleaning function, so inside it looks pretty good. But the glass, you can see it opens vertically, so I can't even soak it to clean properly. So it became pretty blur, I would say, after our cooking. But here I saw the best result with my degreaser again. I'm using Sieve Power for Kitchen. Yes, it took me about 15 minutes to get this result. I was spraying, scrubbing, wiping, and then spraying again for several times, but you see it. It is transparent again. There is something else what I tried to steam clean in my kitchen, and this was the baseboard. There exactly the area where it joins with the floor, and the 5 or 10 centimeters of the floor itself. For some reason, this area is always very dirty, no matter what I do, but it also worked. You will see it yourself. It was very brown, and now you can see it is clear. To conclude my cleaning today, I want to say that I am impressed by this device. It is compact and it is powerful enough, and you can see it has multiple ways to use, and I have not yet tried cleaning glass or textiles with it, but keeping in mind its cost, I'm happy to have it. If you also have a big house, or maybe you like cleaning and you want to have your home to be super clean and sanitized, or maybe you have an allergy for some detergent, or you just want to eco clean without using harsh chemicals, this device can become a real help for you. Those are my impressions from cleaning with this steam cleaner, and this is not a sponsored video. I think this was a very good purchase, and if you're also thinking about such device, or maybe you have similar but was not really using it or were afraid to use it, I highly recommend to give it a try. I will leave you the name in the description bar below. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe, and please stay safe. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.